I click on blank report and I want to show you visual interactivity. I click on get data, Excel workbook. I connect with Global Superstore database. Global Superstore is the database which you always use. So I connect with the orders, load and transform data. I click on load. So the first thing is you need to create a professional dashboard. You need to create a professional dashboard. So let's create the professional dashboard first. I click on format, canvas setting, custom 1020. I go to view, fit to width. Perfect. Now I create the graph. I select category and discount. Then I select category and sales, convert it to a pie chart. And I create one more graph, which is subcategory, which is at the bottom, and sales. And I convert this to a vertical graph. Perfect. Now, the first thing is I need to make it professional. So I choose this. I go to size and style. I go to background. I choose the color. I make it little light. Visual border on, shadow on. I go to title. Always give title. It's very important. Otherwise, Power BI don't understand that what this graph is. Bar chart. I make the title little bigger. And then what I do, I go to y-axis, make it little bigger. Title off. I go to x-axis. I increase the text, make it little bigger. Title off. Now copy this format, paste it here. Copy this format, paste it here. Now I keep it, let's do it like this. It's arrange it in a little professional manner. Arrange it in a little professional manner. Good. Now, let me go to this pie chart. Let me change the title of this pie chart as well. Always change the title. So I write pie chart. And as well as let me increase the legend text to little bigger so that it should be visible. Good. This graph also, I go to title, I write column chart. Column chart. Now, requirement is when you click on this bar chart, pie chart should change, column chart should not change. When you click on pie chart, bar chart should change, column chart should not change. When you click on column chart, they both should not change. Let me explain you. When you click on bar chart, pie chart should change, column chart should not change. When you click on pie chart, bar chart should change, column chart should not change. When you click on column chart, they both should not change. How to do that? First, you need to select one graph. Let me select the bar chart. I go to format. There is the option at the top, which is called format. You need to go to format. And the first icon is edit interaction. But you need to create this graph little smaller. Otherwise, icons are going to I click on this, click on edit interaction. I click on none. There are three options available. We are playing with none right now. I click on pie chart, none. I click on this one, and for these both, I click on none, none. Now what will happen? If I click on this graph, can you see on the above two graph, there is no changes. If I click on this first graph, can you see this one is changing, but there's no change in this one. If I click on this graph, it is changing, but there's no change in this one. Now you can make this little bigger. This is what you need to show me in a small video. You need to create a 10-second video to submit this assignment. Click on Office Supply. Can you see this is changing, but there's no impact on this one? Click on Technology. Can you see this is changing? There's no impact on this one. If I click on that below one, there is no impact on the above two. This is your project number 1